is Bill available?
Speaking.
Hi, Bill. My name is Lorri, and I am with .com, and we offer website rebuilds for as low as $250 for a month, and we would love to hear your thoughts on your needs. Do you have a plan for updating your page to increase traffic and stay ahead of your competition, or have you considered it?
Yeah, I'm currently working with somebody.
You are working with someone?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and that's great to hear. And our approach often works hand in hand with what you're already doing, providing additional value in a few unique ways. So what we do is custom build your website to bring it relevant to your market, loading in a fraction of a second, and as low as $254 a month. And if the website doesn't load in 3 seconds or less, you lose 50% of your visitors. When did you last recently update your website?
It's been a while.
It's been a while? Okay, like a year or over a year?
Yeah, at least over a year.
Okay. And the reason I'm calling is to see if you would be open just to a quick Zoom or Google Meet with our CEO, Ryan. Would that work for you? He would just go over what he has and what we could do for you and see if it would be a good fit.
Yeah, when are you talking about?
This week I have tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday.
Yeah, I could probably set something up for Friday.
Friday, the 22nd? Okay. And you are Central Time, correct?
No, Eastern.
You're Eastern? Okay. I want to make sure I have the right time zone. Alrighty, for Friday the 22nd. Do you prefer mornings or afternoons?
Afternoon will be better.
Alrighty, I have a 2, I have a 2:30, a 3, all the way up until 5 p.m.
We'll go with 3.
With 3? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty, and I want to make sure I have your name spelled right. It's
Correct.
okay. And Bill, what is a good email for you?
It's .com.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear it at what? .com?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you by your computer by chance?
Not at the moment, no.
Okay. I'm sending over an invite to your email, so that way when you are at your email, you can accept it, and it goes on your calendar and Ryan's. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I want to make sure everything goes through for you. And do you want this to be a Zoom or a Google Meet?
Zoom.
A Zoom, okay. Okay, I have it all set then for Friday, the 22nd, from 3 to 4. It's a Zoom meet. And I thank you so very much, and you have a wonderful day. And I thank you so much again for your time.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.